Good morning, my name is Andres. Today I am going to cook a delicious breakfast. It's scrambled eggs with chocolate. For preparing the scrambled eggs, you need 4 eggs, 1 tomato, 1 onion, olive, salt, 4 chocolate, 1 liter of milk, 4 pieces chocolate. You can put the eggs into a bowl. Then you season them. After that, you chop the tomato and onion into small pieces. And you put into the frying pan. We did in a ready hot with 2 oil. Do the oil. With the ingredients are friends, you put the eggs, add some salt, as you next prepare, you mix the ingredients until the eggs are cooked. Finally, you serve them into a plate. And there you have a how you play. Yum.